Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunye uhlase uphodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Hello South Africa. Ninjani Eastern Cape, Western Cape, KwaZulu Natal, ninjani eMpumalanga. Awuthi ngiphume kancane ngithi kubaqalaza Swatini, Maswata kithi. Hello Maswata kithi. Botswana, likai Matswana kwae. Liyaphila. Dumelang Lesotho. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Zimdola, Zimbabwe. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Zambia. It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Tonase King Indlovu. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's a Bibli King mntanami. Bathini lapho ngafela buse. Uyakwazi ngafela buse? Oh, bathini lapho eFelabusi, bathini lapho ePlumtree, bathini lapho koBulawayo. It's a Bibli King mntanami. It's going crazy, it's going bananas. Ngibufebe galo. What I'm doing today, ngipequlula ubufebe nje. Ngithi Mawufebe uyafeba nje. Today is the day. Make sure that you subscribe on this #1 channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend ukuthi it's going crazy, it's going bananas. Take me to Kwabafebayo. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunye uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na. Couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.
Hey yo fucking bro. Hey yo fucking hey yo hey yo hey abezwa labo anizwa nini iconfeber abezwa welcome batshelwa njalo condom shasho Chicago Music House kambanyani butwami sister njani siyaphila bafethu mina ngu-King Ginger shoot so I go around ask people questions. Can I please ask you guys questions before nivaya bafethu ngathi
question enjani?
So it's about relationship question. Are you guys dating? How's the relationship? And what are your plans going forward together so that we can spread love? Sure, but thank you so much. My brother Wanikama. Muhao Njayami. Muhao hello. Showcase. My sister
Fiona.
Sister, Kamala Organti lelo. So my brother, I want to know from you, what is it that you love about Fiona?
Ngithanda ukuyasa treatment awudangiphatha ngakhona.
Sure.
Yeah, like
sure phethe soft ne?
Ngiphethe soft.
How? So wena lo mntana uyaqukula ukwenza yonke leyo nto.
Eish, kamnandi feel that.
Hayibo. Showcase. Wena sister wena yini oyithandayo ngobhuti? Sure. Ungamanje kahle phethe ngoba ikamera yami ingapha bafethu. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What is it that you love about my brother Umuhao?
I love everything about him. He's always there for me. Ngithanda. And mangidinga usizo, he's there for me.
Uyalithola? Shala njayami. Umuntu uyamsiza. So wena Fiona mhlawumbe usizo osuke ulidinga sometimes lube lukanjani?
Financially,
yes.
He's always there financially, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And physically.
Yeah, physically and emotionally. Yeah, I feel safe around him.
Oh yeah.
Safety place to hide.
Yes.
My brother, I want to know from you again, mfethu. Mhlambe wena ungathi iluphi usuku owalfrostana blind la khona Fiona. La nje ungasho khona ukuthi will never forget this day. Lo mntana wakwenzela umrevit.
Our first meet I felt because we never asihlala endaweni eyi-one ethu.
Sure.
So that day nje yeah.
Usho that day wablo
Yeah, she showed me
Yeah, flames.
flames, my brother.
for sure. Because she's a flame vele.
Eish, boy.
Kimullo.
How?
Awu Fiola. Fiola wamullo. Sure mfethu. When Fiola which day was the best?
Our first date.
Your first day, ne? It was nane.
Yeah.
And both of you, your hearts were red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were
Even
penning,
now,
even now.
yeah.
I understand the penning. Me, my first date was difficult. I had to explain myself thoroughly, But I'm happy that they are love where there's fire. Get go, yabo. Yeah. So I want to know from you, Fiola. In a scale of 100, umthanda kangakanani uphuthu?
100.
Wena usithemba kangakanani?
100.
Ukhona umuntu othandana naye ngaphandle ka my brother?
No.
If you will find out to my brother a cheater, what would you do?
Angazi yazi because angaze ngacabanga ukuthi ingayenzeka leyo nto.
Ne?
I don't think it will.
Showcase. Hey, all right, so ngazuyicabanga. Last one, Phil. Ikhona into ofuna ukuyisho ku my brother. Do you want to apologize for anything?
No, I don't want to apologize for anything because I did it wrong nje engiyenzile.
Okay, sure. My brother, scale of 100 umthanda kangakanani?
110.
Scale of 100 usithemba kangakanani?
120, my brother.
Ukhona umuntu othandana naye besides Fiola?
Fuck on. Next.
Ungenza njani if you find out that Fiola is cheating on you?
Eish. I don't condone cheating, so I think it would be the end of us. Not gonna lie, like honestly, bro.
Okay, and then what would you do if you ikhona ufuna ukuyikolisela?
Nah, nothing. I'm using names. Yeah, it's blind.
Ngicela umphilamza mfethu umtshela ukuthi uyamthanda mfethu. Sho njalo ihug, sorry. Ihug, hayibo.
Yeah.
Sorry, hug. Ngenza mistake. Ngenza mistake.
After this.
Yeah. Ngenza mistake. Ngitheni kanti mina?
It's fast. Kubeke if you want to shower his car, that's when. Well,
I know it's interesting, but before you hear there's a thing that we do here. It's called loyalty test. Loyalty test is whereby you're switching phones for 60 seconds. Fiola, you give your partner iPhone for 60 seconds. We'll check it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, what's of letter number one. Same applies to you. I'm going to time of next.
Next.
For sure.
Bashwe.
Kulungena la Fiona. Yes. Sister, right? Kulungena time so pala nangiyakho. Sister. Yes, phone. No, izoqala ibanjwe yimina kanje. Iye ku my brother this side. All right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. All right, guys. My name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream. Don't say King Indlovu couple switching. So qala ngeyakho ne? Angithanda nkinga masiqala ngeyakhe ne? Okay. Ivula. Ya, zakhala man. Tango. Awunjayami. Cela uyibambe both hands. Yeah. Okay. Sister ngathi uqhaqhazela nje. All right?
Yeah, right.
Now what's up? All right, mase ngithi type uzotype la.
Okay.
Makuvela igama lakho la ungitshela. Makuvela igama lamanye amapage la ungitshela ngoba lawo mapage iwazobe edliwa umuntu wakho ne? All right guys, my name is King Changer, Cream de la Cream. We're on WhatsApp right now. When we are about to type the trenders, type lapho uthi I love you, my brother. Talk to me. Amachere kasilakho mfethu. Abakubhayizeli sometimes bayilethe kuwe, as njengoba outside grand kanje.
Bayilethe feel that but then angiba entertain otherwise.
For sure. Sisters, talk to me.
Ke man Lerato.
Lerato.
Yeah, bona.
Boy, fida nampa fida ngwana.
Oh, and bekufuna.
Yeah, unga-check. I think I'm checking your now. Can check.
But why couldn't know? Why couldn't
I baby after can shoot almost.
And why didn't you tell me?
Yeah.
I didn't think it was necessary because nothing anything.
Delete type uthi sex sibone ukuthi le bitch yavela in futhi. Hayi uthi so check la. Oh hayi brother
Hi, Ven.
Okay. Delete lapha type uthi money. Sibone ukuthi uyipha bobani.
Hayi kuvela mina.
delete lapho ufake emoji brinjal, benches, amanzi lawa athi impophoma, squatter. Delete lapho utype uthi come outside. Awuthami usilokhu uyithukisa la. Uyazi ukuthi uyadelete. Njalo uyazi ukuthi uloyal.
Hello, mngani ngiyamazi. Yeah, it's clear.
Uyadlala Facebook,
Angidlali my brother.
Instagram,
WhatsApp and TikTok page.
WhatsApp and TikTok. Sister, how do you feel ukumbona ukuthi akanazo izinto ezisnacks?
Ngiyajabula. I'm very happy that he's loyal. Yeah, I feel safe. As I said, I feel safe.
Muka iPhone yakhe sister. Uvulela.
Kuyadingakala ukuthi
Yes, so that we can feel safe. Yeah, we want to feel safe now. Ayakotolo my brother, so make him feel warm. Sister. Abambe. We on WhatsApp or ima. Usukusondela kakhulu. Na WhatsApp. Musengathi type uzotype la makuvele igama lakho la ungitshela makuvele igama lezinye izinja la ungitshela ngoba lezo zinja yizo zobe ikhwela umuntu wakho yazi. Sister ikonto ufuna ukuyicolisela?
No, angifuni ukuxolisa but then there's no need ukuthi phone yami isearchiwe or angithembi.
Ngithemba phi.
Uyangithemba so like angiyiboni nje ngereason ukuthi
mara yakho isearchile nje.
No, but then I mean i-reason ukuthi siyivule iphone angiyiboni.
Mara yakho uvulile. Why yakho ivulile? Why?
Ngoba umuntu wami.
Naye ngoba umuntu wakhe. Type lapho uthi I love you.
Hayi, kodwa ngeke ngiyala.
Indaba wala in. Sister ukhona nobani othandana naye noma wamdlisika?
Tutuzi manje.
Mtutuzi balo. Funda phela.
Tutuzi Kawash.
Okay. Ubani Mtutuzi?
Uba follow.
No, bekengibuza ukuthi
Singibonele la matuba. Akusuke. Mara ke mang Tutuzi.
Ubani Mtutuzi Kawash? Ubani lo mfolo ba follow?
umngani wami.
Umngani wakho uthi uyamthanda? Okay, delete lapho. Type uthi money sibone ukuthi umduduzi Kawash akamuphi imali. Sister khuluma uqiniso. Ngikaleni ngani umduduzi ukuyenza lento?
Hawu.
Ukuyenzani?
Baby kanjani Tutuzi ngikhona ma.
Awunasikhathi sami. Uthatha isikhathi nje ukunginika imali. Ngiyenze njani?
Are those really your reasons for
Okay.
Tuteso ma?
Ngiyatolisa.
Upolisa in.
No, ngicela ukukhuluma naye private.
Okay.
Angifuni nje
Uthi ngicela singahlehla nayi mic out yami. Sure. Yani ixoxe lento.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
Like ngiyaxolisa like ngizo explaina kahle mase
Explain amasipho. Bathi ngithe
Ningabambani, ningaphushani aggressively because I will come in.
That's why. Because you are fucking up. Keep on fucking up.
No, what do you mean keep on fucking up? Like he's the first guy. No, ayikho serious lento le you can go through the shit. No, ayikho serious lento lena and like it's nothing serious. I say.
Musumpusha, Autam, my brother. Mfethu. Let's see phone.
Sanyela ne.
I'm sorry. Good.
Really?
Like it happened like just once. It was nothing serious.
I-condom benisebenzisa at least.
Like it was.
At least the condom was there. Ibingekho awuthama skis.
You're not a fuck man. Lale phone ngithingele yini? Let's phone. Bring my phone. You're not swala mos.
Musanukulo.
Singali kanjani?
I bought this phone.
No, awuthama kuvumelekile ukuthi uyithathe.
Kanja, it's my phone, it's my property.
No.
Okay, if it
Uzoyithatha ngesikhathi sakho.
If it was you, wouldn't you take your belongings?
No, ngesikhathi sakho.
Nemali yokuya kubo, enhle kusala naye, umfonela umphiphisi wakhe.
Kanjani, because we have plans.
Plans amasimo.
Kanjani utshela nomuntu sisi wami? Kanjani wena uyawashwa wena uwashwa njengemoto ecar wash. Uyazi ukuthi le car wash iyawa ngenxa yakho. Iyawa because wena unikwa imali. Car wash.
Like I said, I can explain. Like I was lonely. You're always not there. So when you expect to
At least ube ngoni owner.
Ngiyenze njani?
Car wash fucking boy, baby. Ah, man, come on. Car wash.
Bayabhadala dog. Babheja.
Nale mpahla sigqokile, chief. Kube ngiyasakho.
Hayi.
No, please calm down. Calm down. Can we talk?
So akame down kanjani sister Mfebele?
Please calm down.
So
Angimfebele.
at least okay, let's talk about the condom part. Did you guys use it at least? So that it feel good.
No, we didn't. I like.
Okay. Awuthami mthazoqhubeka utshole naye.
Mntana, as I say.
Hayi vaya awuthiyamshiya. Nasiyamshiya samba nawe futhi thina dog. Sister asihambi nawe. Sena sohambela noma ibrand. Angithi wena usuthi
Ngicela ukukhuluma naye.
Awuthami uyafuna ukukhuluma naye? Akafuni. Yini ofuna ukuyikhuluma sister because you made your decision when ukuthi ecar wash yabagibela.
Like it happened once. Like it wasn't something serious. Bengacabanga ukuthi like izofika lapho, you know.
Nathi sisafuna ukuya ecar wash sister. Sesiyavaya. Yeah, sambe welcome ecar wash.
Ngikhulumele naye.
Ayikho into esoyikhuluma naye akasakufuni and ngikunikile ichance ukuthi uxolisa ngithi. Hawu, ayikho into ekuzokhulunywa naye. Ayikho nangu uyakhala uChicago boy lapha. Ukhalisa omunye umntana. Why ungaye ecar wash once?
Ngiyenzani ecar wash?
But uhlala uplomara nje.
Ngifuna yena, ngifuna abantu.
Mara ecar wash bakulindile. Sicela ukuhamba nawe kuye ecar wash khona soyiwasha mahali imoto. Car wash, girl. Take us to car wash.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream Della Cream. Intwana yase Kings bathi umtimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode of Niyathembana na couple switching phones mntanami. We are in the streets of Johannesburg and we are looking for lovers. Abantu abanomjolo phakathi and King Ginger ne CMTV bafuna ukuthela itswayi phakathi.
Andile ngomunye umfana nje mistake.